How's it going, guys? I wanted to take a few minutes in this video to talk to you all about the future of this channel. I started this channel mainly doing woodworking projects, but as many of you all know, I do have some other type of videos up here. I've got some videos on doing electrical work and that sort of thing. And what I've decided to do is basically change this channel's format into kind of more of a handyman type channel, that sort of thing. Just doing repair projects, things like that, as well as, future woodworking projects. It just seems kind of senseless to keep it named as a woodworking channel. At the point of this video, I have not yet necessarily decided on what I'm going to change the name to. Any suggestions, I'd be greatly appreciated. You can leave those down in the comments below. But, I'm going to be doing some videos here that I think may help others. If you're kind of a do-it-yourselfer, just kind of a way of sharing, what little knowledge I have on a few things, and maybe help some of you all out. But guys, just a quick video that I wanted to do. If any of you have any suggestions as far as names, what we could name this channel, then just let me know. But look for the videos. Always be sure to check the links down in the description. I'll be putting links to various things as far as the projects that we're doing. A video that I'm going to be finishing, just finished recording it, is replacing the brakes on a car. It's one that I had to do recently, and so I went ahead and filmed that. Figured that it would make a good video for this. But guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Let me hear from you down in the comments. Check out the links in the description, and we'll see you next time.